What's cooking, YouTube? Welcome to Weezy's Cooking. I'm your host, Le Chef James, and today Weezy's cooking chocolate chip cookies. It's August 4th, so today is National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day. I love freaking cookies. So since today is National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day, one of my favorite cookies, actually, it might actually be my favorite cookie. I don't know, I love cookies, I love cake, I love pie. Anything pretty much sweet that's made in the bakery. I don't really eat candy. Not too big on candy, but if you put something, a pastry in front of me, I mean, I don't even know. I fall weak to it. Anyways, let's get back to the topic at hand. So I chose chocolate chip cookies today because it's August 4th. Like I said, National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day. So I don't really bake much. You guys bear with me. I'm going to do things a bit different right now. So what I'm going to do is, as I make it, I'm going to film it kind of delish, tasty style, somewhat my version, kind of hood rig, ghetto rig, whatever you want to say. But yeah, so right now I have a 10 ingredient recipe for chocolate chip cookies. It says it's by Betty Crocker. I'm not really sure if that's the real Betty Crocker, if the person just calls himself Betty Crocker, but they may get in trouble for that. I don't know. So the recipe's name is Ultimate Chocolate Chip Cookies. It's not the one I wanted to do. I wanted to do the worst chocolate chip cookies ever. I just thought that'd be pretty neat. And it actually had pretty good ratings. I mean, only like 12 people, but the one I'm doing now has only got like 8. So, but I didn't want to do that one because I'm pretty cheap. I like to stay on a kind of a budget right now. So I didn't want to be buying extra stuff, although now that I think about it, probably could have bought some of that stuff and used it later because one of the ingredients was maple syrup, and I love making pancakes. Look, pancakes, cake, donuts, cookies, all that stuff, man. Pie, all of it. So, but anyways, I went with the Betty Crocker recipe. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make that one for you guys. So now let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm gonna need my chocolate chips. Check. Now I'm gonna need a cup of butter, which is 2 sticks. I think I'm gonna need a cup of butter, which, anyways, cup, half cup, whatever. I got it down now. Anyways, it's 2 sticks. I'm gonna need 2 sticks of butter. Okay. Check. All right, I got my butter, and now, I mean, come on. You can't have cookies, especially chocolate chip cookies, most cookies, because I don't do that. You can't have cookies without sugar. Check. All right, that's 3 ingredients down. We have a butter, we have chocolate chips, we have a sugar. Now we're gonna need brown sugar. Check. All right, so now we're almost halfway through the checklist. And the main ingredient now, since I'm already getting my sugar and my brown sugar and stuff, is flour. You gotta have the flour for the chocolate chip cookies. Most cookies don't really know about cookies. So if there's flourless cookies, which I'm pretty sure there are, because they make all kinds of stuff different ways now, then, cool. But I'm just gonna do the traditional old school chocolate chip cookies. So let's get the flour. Check. All right, now since we're pretty much halfway through the list and we pretty much got our bases covered, now we're gonna go on to get some of the little bitty things to tweak it in the chocolate chip cookies. Well, I guess chocolate chip would have been one of those, but anyway, that's one of your main ingredients, I don't care. So now what I wanna say is one of the golden ingredients, vanilla extract. Check. All right, now we have our vanilla extract, and now we're gonna need Mr. Humpty Dumpty himself, an egg. Check. The ingredients list is almost checked off. We only got 2 more. It's only 9 ingredients. The 10th one was nuts. Don't do nuts. Don't do them. I can, but I don't. So, not in my chocolate chip cookies anyway, I should say. So, now, again, I don't really do too much baking. So I don't understand what the baking soda is really for, but since it's on the recipe and that's what I do on here, I'm gonna put it in there. If anybody can answer why you put baking soda in like cookies and stuff, that would be helpful. I mean, I could always Google it, but then I wouldn't be able to interact with the people. So anyways, yes, next on the list is baking soda. Check. All right, so now one more ingredient left, and that ingredient is last, but certainly not least, and it is salt. So also, I don't know the point of salt, maybe a little bit more than baking soda I can see. However, I have coarse kosher salt because I use that a lot with other stuff. So I'm just hoping that doesn't mess up the ingredient. I hope it doesn't have to be like fine and it dissolves or something. So anyways, yes, next and last on the list is salt. Check. All right, so now we got the list checked off. We got all 9 ingredients. We got chocolate chips, vanilla, egg, butter, sugar, flour, salt, something else, baking soda, brown sugar, milk, oysters, mushrooms, anything you got or anything you want, you name it, you put it in your cookies. All right. Anyways, nah, but seriously, okay, we got the list checked off. So now, again, what I'm gonna do this time, I'm gonna try to film it from up top, me mixing the ingredients. No, I'm not gonna bore you guys doing it one by one and talking and stuff like that. I don't wanna bore you guys. However, anyways, so now let's get this underway, see what we have, and get this stuff mixed up. All right, guys. All right, that wasn't too bad. That was pretty easy. So now it's alive. It is alive. I have cookie dough out of scratch. Pretty simple. Look at that, guys. Chocolate chip cookie dough on National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day. Shoo-ba. So now I'm gonna go ahead and place the dough on the sheets, get that in the oven, and then when they get done, I'm gonna record it for you guys, taste one, and let you know what I think. All right. Man, I mean, you guys should smell this. It smells freaking good, and I can't wait to eat them. Don't judge me. I don't have a wire rack right now, so I'm gonna be using my oven rack. So I don't even want to hear it. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Yeah, I'm gonna let these things cool down a little bit, let them cool off, and then I'm gonna eat them, and I'm gonna tell you guys all about them. I got a feeling that you guys are gonna wanna make the same recipe. I got it off Yumly. That's an app I use with many more that I use to get recipes and ideas from. Anyways, I'll be right back to taste these things for you guys and tell you what they taste like. So I finished the cookies. Let me tell you, they are amazing. You guys are definitely going to want to do this recipe. It is the actual Betty Crocker recipe also, by the way. So there's no copyright or infringement or whatever the case that may be. So there's no random person calling themselves Betty Crocker. Is it Betty Crocker or Betty Crockett? I don't know. Anyways, but y'all know what I'm talking about. So, like I said, yes, you guys are definitely going to want to make these cookies. I'm going to get a piece because I don't want to eat any more because I'm about to actually eat dinner. So I will save these for dessert because I love milk and cookies, man. I love milk and any kind of sweets. So, man, that's good. That's really good. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna enjoy these cookies. Excuse me. I'm gonna enjoy these cookies after I get done eating dinner. Like I said, found the recipe on Yumly. I'll leave a link if I know how to do that. I don't know. But yes, definitely worth making. Definitely worth making. Real quick, real easy, real simple. For any adults, it'll be really fun for your kids. Do it as a family. It's really great. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time, next week on Weezy's Cooking. This is Le Chef James. We out. Love, peace, and chicken grease.